Struggling to lose belly fat? Just 10 minutes a day to slim your waist. Today, I'm going to show you the MERACH Waist Twister Machine, a simple and effective way to slim your waist, strengthen your abs, and build a stronger core, all from the comfort of your home. Biceps. If you're struggling with belly fat, love handles, or a weak core, this machine is a great solution for you. It has a smooth and noiseless design, so you can work out anytime, morning or night, without disturbing anyone. It supports up to 300 pounds, which means both men and women can use it safely and comfortably. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day of twisting, and you'll start to feel the difference in your waist and abs. This board helps burn calories, improve balance, and activate your core muscles at the same time. The best part? It's compact, easy to use, and you don't need a gym or a personal trainer. Right now, it's available with 31% off, from $69.99 down to just $47.99. If you want to start your fitness journey today, check the link in the description and get yours now. Don't forget, the link is in the description.